Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Akila and today I'm making delicious German roasted nuts. And I'll leave the recipe in the description below so that you can make it as well. So let's get right into it, but before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified the next time I post a video. To get started, I prepped all my ingredients and I lined a baking sheet with a silicone mat, but you could also use parchment paper. So we're going to start off with some of our sugar. We're going to add a 1/3 cup of water plus 2 tablespoons and about 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon salt. We're going to mix that together and then let it come to a boil. While we're waiting for this to boil, we just stir it occasionally, not often, just try to get the sugar to melt. So the sugar is boiling, I'm just going to stir it and make sure everything's incorporated. And once it's at a nice rapid boil, I'm going to add my nuts. So I have almonds and pecans, 2.5 cups. I'm going to add my nuts and stir. Stir occasionally until the syrup thickens. Once it's thick, stir it continuously so that you don't burn your nuts and your sugar. It can take about 10 to 15 minutes to get really thick depending on how high your fire is. I typically do a medium-high flame. And now all the liquid is basically dried up and should keep going. Now it's a workout. See the texture? And the sugar is going to start to look chalky. That's okay. What we're going to do is keep stirring and remelt the sugar. And for this method, I actually have 1/2 cup of sugar that I had reserved to add later on. And my nuts are getting, shinier. So it's almost time. But let me add that reserved 1/2 cup of sugar and my vanilla and get back to stirring. Smells so good. So once you have the majority of your nuts are shiny, got that glaze on it, got that melted sugar look, and all the sugar is stuck to the nuts, then it's time to cut it off. Transfer the nuts to a baking tray and spread it in an even layer. Remember not to touch the nuts as soon as you take it out the pot because it will burn you like it burned me. Yeah, so let it cool. Once it cools down, the shell is going to get nice and hard and you're going to have these really delicious crunchy German nuts. And you can store this in an airtight container. So thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you didn't enjoy it, well, hit the like button anyway. It's free. And I hope to see you next time.